In a world where time is a precious commodity, we often find ourselves searching for efficient and effective ways to improve our health and fitness. Today, we embark on a journey that promises transformative results in just 1 minute a day, the 1-minute plank challenge. Prepare to be amazed as we explore how this deceptively simple exercise can revolutionize not only your body, but also your mind. The power of the plank. The plank is a foundational bodyweight exercise that has gained popularity for its incredible effectiveness. Holding a plank position engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including the core, shoulders, back, and legs. It's a full-body workout that requires no equipment, making it accessible to virtually anyone. Building core strength. The core is the epicenter of your body's strength, stability, and posture. By planking for just 1 minute each day, you'll gradually build core strength, leading to better posture, reduced lower back pain, and improved balance. You'll feel taller and more confident as your core muscles become the sturdy foundation of your body. Toning your muscles. The plank isn't just about core strength. It also engages your arms, shoulders, and leg muscles. Over time, you'll notice increased muscle tone and definition throughout your body. You'll be surprised at the sculpted arms and firmer thighs that a mere 60 seconds of planking can deliver. Enhancing flexibility. While holding a plank, you're also stretching and elongating your posterior muscle groups. This stretching can help improve flexibility and reduce the risk of injury. A flexible body is a resilient body, ready to take on life's challenges. Mental toughness and focus. The 1-minute plank challenge isn't just about physical benefits. It's a test of mental toughness and focus. As you push through the discomfort and fatigue that may arise during your plank, you'll build mental resilience and stronger willpower that can extend to other areas of your life. Increased metabolism and fat loss. Planking can rev up your metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently throughout the day. While 1 minute may not seem like much, over time, it can contribute to gradual fat loss and weight management. Convenience and accessibility. One of the most appealing aspects of the 1-minute plank challenge is its convenience. You can do it virtually anywhere, at any time, without the need for special equipment or a gym membership. It's a workout that fits seamlessly into even the busiest of schedules. In conclusion, the 1-minute plank challenge is a simple yet incredibly effective way to transform your body and mind. With increased core strength, toned muscles, enhanced flexibility, mental toughness, and the convenience of this exercise, you have the tools to unlock a healthier, more confident, and resilient version of yourself. So, why wait? Join the plank revolution today and discover the remarkable benefits of just 1 minute a day. Your body and mind will thank you for it.